right hand side value here also 0, here also 0. Therefore, right hand side value equals left hand side value. When you have 3 variables, how many combinations we are getting? That is 2 to the power of 3, that is 8 combinations we are getting. If I am going to interchange the brackets, then also we are going to get the same result. Any equation can be solved in 3 methods. One is by using truth table, or by using perfect induction method, or by algebraic method. Welcome back to One and All. Myself, Vasanta, lecturer in Computer Science, Vidhyaashram, Pre-University College, Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. Today, we are going to start with the 4th session of Boolean Algebra chapter. Whereas in the previous class, you have studied regarding the basic postulates, which are the postulates, then properties of zeros and ones, with that independence law, complementarity law, as well as involution law. These are the topics you have studied in the previous class. That is, under zeros and ones, what will be the equation, then how to prove that, then in the same way, independence law, how to write the circuit diagram, how to prove that by using perfect induction method, then how to write the truth table for independence law, complementarity law, as well as involution law. For all these things you have studied in the previous class. Whereas on today's class, you will study regarding how to prove commutative law, associative law, distributive law, as well as absorption law. Then how to write the circuit diagram, how to prove that by using perfect induction method, as well as how to write the truth table for that. Regarding that, you will come to know today. Now, one by one we'll discuss. The first one is commutative law. What exactly this commutative law states? That is, x plus y is same as your y plus x. If I'm going to interchange the position, then also we are going to get the same result. This law states that the order in which 2 variables are ordered or ANDed marks no difference. If I'm having x plus y equals y plus x, in the same way, x into y if you have, then y into x, both are same. If I'm going to use plus operator or dot operator, if I'm going to reverse the value, then also I'm going to get the same result. This is first commutative law. Then how to write the circuit diagram and how to prove that by using perfect induction method, that will explain you. Now we have the equation x plus y equals y plus x. Then how to write the circuit diagram for this one? See, first case we have x, and then we have the second case is y. First we have x and then y. In between we have plus operator. Plus operator is nothing but here we'll write reverse C shape. Then see, x plus y, it is same as, this circuit symbol is same as y plus x. I'm going to take y, then plus operator, reverse C shape, then connect these two. These two are same here. If I'm going to write x plus y or y plus x, both are same. That is a symbol. There are 3 things you have to write. One is symbol, and one you have to prove that by using perfect induction method. Then you have to prove that by using truth table method. Now, we'll prove that by using perfect induction method. If you want, you can write x equals 0, then also you can solve, or y equals 0, then also you can solve. Whichever you feel comfortable, that you can take. For example, if you want, you can take x equals 0, then you can solve the equation, or x equals 1, then solve the equation. Whereas in this case, I selected y equals 0, as well as one more is y equals 1. Consider, first I selected y equals 0 and then y equals 1. Then when I'm going to select y equals 0, we know the equation x plus y as well as y plus x. Now for this equation, on the place of y, I'm going to substituting 0. Then 0 plus x is nothing but 0 here. Then in the same way, on the place of y, I'm to write 0 plus x, then 0 plus x is nothing but x. Therefore, right hand side value here also 0, here also 0. Therefore, right hand side value equals left hand side value. Now in the same way, we want to prove the second one when I'm to put y equals 1. Then x plus y is the equation as well as y plus x, both are the equation here. On the place of y, I'm to substituting 1. Then x plus 1 is nothing but 1. In the same way, when I'm to substituting y equals 1, 1 plus x, that is 1 plus x is nothing but once again 1. Here also I'm getting 1, Here also I'm getting 1. That's why right hand side value equals left hand side value. This is perfect induction method. Next, we'll write the truth table for that one. Only 2 variables we have. Only 2 variables means 2 to the power of 2, 4 combinations we are getting. 4 combinations means under that, first you have to write 2 times 0 and then 2 times 1. Next, off of that 0, 1, 0, 1. First, we will find x plus y. That is, I am going to take x column as well as y column. In plus operator, if any one of the input is true, output become true here. That's why 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1. 1 time 1 we have. That's why output is 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1 is 1. Now, in the same way, y plus x I am to consider. First, I am to take y column and then x column. Then 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1. Therefore, from this, if you observe x plus y value, that is, so 0, then 111 we have. Whereas here, y plus x, there also 0, 111. Both the values are matching here. From that, I can say that x plus y value is same as y plus x value. This is a proof for commutative law. This is the first proof for commutative law. Then the second one we will move, that is x into y is same as y into x. This is the second commutative law. Then how to write the symbol as well as truth table for this one? While writing the symbol, first here I am going to take x and then y. In between a dot operator, that's why here I am going to take D shape, then connect. It is same as, it is equals to y and then x. Here I am going to take y and x are connected with D shape, that is dot operator, that is AND operation, then one line. See, from this I can say that this is the symbol x into y is same as y into x value. That's a symbol. Now we'll prove this by using perfect induction method. While proving perfect induction method, here I am going to considering y equals 0 and here y equals 1. Whichever you want you can take, whether x equals 0 or y equals 0. Then it can be called as perfect induction method. Now, we have the first part x into y and the second part y into x. That is right hand side as well as left hand side. On the place of y, here I am going to substituting 0. That is x into 0 is nothing but 0 here. Here 0 into x is nothing but 0 here. Therefore, right hand side value is left hand side value. Next, we will prove this once again when y equals 1. Then this is the equation x into y and here y into x. Now, on the place of y here I am substituting 1, that is x into 1 is nothing but x here. On the place of y I am going to substituting 1. Then 1 into x is nothing but 1. Therefore, both the side are x only. Therefore, right hand side value is equals to left hand side value. This is perfect induction method. This is the symbol and this is the perfect induction method. Now we will write the truth table for that one. First 2 variables means 4 combination. That's why 00, 11, 01, 01 we used to write. But when you come on x into y into, that is AND operation, on that case, when all the inputs are 1, then only the output become 1 here. Then 0, first column x and then second column is y. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 0 is 0. But 1 into 1 is 1 here. When all the inputs are 1, then only the output become 1 here. Then next, y into x. First I am to take y column, then x column here I am to consider. That is 0 into 0 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. Therefore, see, x into y value is same as y into x value. This is regarding the commutative law, the second commutative law. Now is it clear? In the exam, you may going to get the question, explain commutative law briefly. Then for 5 marks, then you have to write the symbol. You have to solve that by using perfect induction method. Then you have to write the truth table. For the second commutative law also, you have to write the symbol. You have to solve that by using perfect induction method. Then you have to write the truth table. Next, we will move on. The next one, associative law. What do you mean by this? Associative law. This associative law states that when you have the operators same only. Here also we have dot operator, here also we have dot operator. Then I can, if I change the bracket, then also I am going to get the same result. That is x into yz is same as xy into z. See, I just replacing this bracket here, x and y. Here I am having the bracket at y and z, here I am having the bracket at x and y. If both the operators are same, then I can able to use this associative law. This law states that allows the removal of brackets from an expression and regrouping of the variable. I can able to regroup the brackets. Whichever way I want, I can arrange here when we have the same operator. Now, for this one, how to write the symbol one by one, we'll explain. First, consider we have x here. This is the first part x. Then y and z here we have y and z. But if you observe, y and z are connected with the dot operator. Y and z is connected by dot operator. That is D shape here I will write. The second part here, this part here I have written. Then this is connected with x only, with dot operator. Then whatever output here we have, the same thing here I am to take. Then these two are connected with once again with D shape. That is here. First input is x and the second input is y into z. Once again everything is connected with the D shape. It is same as, it is equals to, it is same as first x into y, here D shape. Then z, the result of this will connect once again with D shape only. This is the symbol to write this associative law. We are written the circuit diagram. Next, we'll prove this once again by using perfect induction method. First, here I am going to substituting y equals 0 and here I am going to substituting y equals 1. Now, is it clear? Now, when I am going to substituting y equals 0, then the equation is x into yz and here xy into z. Then on the place of y, I am going to substituting 0. That is x into 0 into z. 0 into z is nothing but 0. You know, law of multiplication or properties of 0. Then 0 into x is once again 0 here. Now here, I am going to substituting y equals 0. That's why x into 0 into z. Once again, x into 0 is nothing but 0 only, then z. 0 into any variable is 0 only. Therefore, right hand side value is same as your left hand side value. Next, once again, substitute y equals 1. Now, here on the place of y, here I am substituting 1. Then this is the equation and this is the right hand side equation. This is the left hand side equation and this is the right hand side equation. Here I am going to substituting y equals 1. Then once again 1 into z is nothing but z only. Then x into z. X into z is nothing but xz. And here 1 into x is nothing but x, then z, that is xz. Therefore, right hand side value equals left hand side value. This is perfect induction method. First, we are written the circuit diagram. Then we are going to solve that by using perfect induction method. Next, we will write the truth table for that one. While writing the truth table, we have 3 variables because here we have x, y as well as z. When you have 3 variables, how many combinations we are getting? That is 2 to the power of 3. That is 8 combinations we are getting. Out of 8, first you have to write 4 times 0, then 4 times 1 for x variable. Then in the same way, for y variable, here 4 times 0 we are written. Now write down 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 1. Next, for the third variable, alternative 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 for all the variables. Okay, now first find out y and z. Whatever column here we have, x and y, first you have to find out this. Because my agenda is to find this equation is same as your this equation. Then this order doesn't matter for me. Whichever order you want, you can take. First find out x into y. Take down these 2 columns and then find the result. Only on the last case as well as on this case we have 1. In the remaining case it will be 0. Because when all the inputs are 1, then only the output become 1, otherwise 0. If you consider these 2 columns, here one or the another has 0, that's why output becomes 0. Whereas only in the last 2 cases the output becomes 1. Next here yz. Y as well as z column we have to consider. Here also in all the columns we have 0 only except in the last class. In the remaining all we have one or the another having 0 on these 2 columns. Only this last 2 having 1, that's why here 1, the remaining will be 0. Next find out x into yz. Take down the x column as well as yz column. Then we are going to get here first x column as well as yz column. Here 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1 here. Now in the same way, find out x, y into z. These 2 columns to consider. Here 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 0 into 0, 1 into 0, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1. Therefore, from this, if you observe this, you see here we have 0 and only in the last cell it is 1. Here also we have 0, only at the last cell it is 1. Therefore, from this I can say that x into yz is equals to xy into z. This is your first associative law. Now is it clear? Next we will move on the next one, that is x plus yz is same as xy plus z. If I am going to replace the position, see here also we have plus operator, here also we have plus operator. Only on that case, if I am going to interchange the brackets, then also we are going to get the same result. Then here x plus yz, here xy plus z we have. Now, how to write the symbol for this one? First, here we have x here. Then y plus z, here I am going to take y and then z. Here plus operator we have, that's why reverse C shape here I am going to take. The result once again is connected here. Once again it is connected with plus operator. Once again reverse C and then one line. First part. This is same as the second part, that is x and then y. Here these two are connected with reverse C shape and then one line. Then once again z, here we have that z once again is connected with once again the OR operation, then reverse C, connect then and then one line. This is the symbol to perform the second associative law. Now we will prove this by using once again perfect induction method. In this case, first time I am going to substitute y equals 0 and another case I am going to substituting y equals 1. Now here in the place, this is the first part and this is the second part. Here in the first part, I am going to substituting y equals 0. Then 0 plus z is nothing but 0. Then the final answer is x plus z. If I am going to consider here 0 plus x, that is nothing but once again x plus z, that is the final answer is x plus z. Therefore, left hand side value is equals to right hand side value. Next, when I am going to substituting y equals 1, then this is the right hand side value, left hand side value and this is the right hand side value. Now here on the place of y, we are going to substituting 1, then x plus 1z. 1 plus z is nothing but 1 only. Then 1 plus x, once again 1. Here also I am going to substituting y equals 1, x plus 1 is nothing but 1 plus z. Then once again 1 plus z is nothing but 1. Therefore, left hand side value is same as your right hand side value. Both the values are same here. This is perfect induction method. Next, we will write the truth table for this one. While finding the truth table, first as usual, already I told you 3 variables means 8 combinations we are getting. Out of 8, 4 zeros, then 4 1, then 0 0 1 1, 0 1 0 1, alternately we will write. Next, first you have to find x plus y. These two columns you have to find out. Here plus, if you have plus operator, then if any one of the input is true, then output become true. See, if you observe these two, then only in the first 2 cases it becomes 0. In the remaining all the cases, at least one or the another having one value. Then the next one, y plus z we have. Y plus z, take down y column as well as z column. On this, only the first one as well as only on this case, the output becomes 0 and the remaining will be 1. Then take down x plus y z column. You have to consider the x column as well as y z column. On that time, only in the first case it is 0 and the remaining case it will be 1 because one or the another having 1. Next, take down x, y and then z. These two columns you have to consider. Only in the first case 0 and the remaining will become 1 because one or the another having 1. See, here 1, both are 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Therefore, from this, if you observe here, only for the first case it is 0 and the remaining all become 1 here. Just see the output. Here 0 and remaining will be 1. Here also 0 and remaining will be 1. From this, what I can say, therefore, x plus yz is equals to xy plus z. This is your second postulate. Now is it clear? Next, we'll move to the next one, distributive law. What do you mean by this distributive law? This law allows the multiplying or factoring out an expression. Consider we have dot operator, here we have plus operator. Then this plus must and should come here. Then how we are going to distributing here? X into y, first part, then x into z. Now is it clear? This is your first distributive law. See, whatever operator in between we have, that will come here. Then x into y plus x into z. This is a distributive law. Now, how to write the circuit diagram as well as how to prove this one by one, now we will explain. If you want to write the circuit diagram, first what I will take here, I will take x. Then y plus z, here we have y as well as z. X as it is I am going to keep, whereas here y plus z, here we have plus operator. Then reverse C shape, here I will write x into we have, then whatever value here we have, the same thing. Once again, these two are connected with D shape. Now it's clear. Then it means that here it is connected with the D shape. It is same as, it is equals to, one here I am going to take x and one more is y. One is x and one more is y. Here x into y we have, then here we will take D shape. Then one more is x and z. Here also we will take D shape. These two are connected y plus operator. Then here I am going to write reverse C shape. Therefore, x into y plus z is same as xy plus xz. This is a symbol to represent. Then we'll prove this by using perfect induction method. While writing the perfect induction method, if you want to write x equals 0 or y equals 0, in the same way x equals 1, y equals 1, whichever you want you can take. For example, here I'm going to take x equals 0 and here x equals 1. Now I'm going to apply this. When I'm applying this, on the place of x, I'm going to substituting 0, y plus z. 0 into any variable, that is 0 only. Because already I told you the properties of zeros. 0 into any variable is 0. Now, x into y plus x into z we have. Now, on the place of x, I'm going to substituting 0, here also 0. 0 into any variable is 0. Plus 0 into any variable is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Therefore, left hand side value is equals to right hand side value. Next, we will move on to the next part. Here, I am going to substituting on the place of x 1. Then 1 into y plus z. 1 into any variable is that particular variable, here it will come. Then y plus z. Here also, 1 into y is nothing but y plus 1 into z is nothing but z. Therefore, here also y plus z. Here also y plus z. Therefore, left hand side value equals right hand side value. In the same way, write on the truth table also for this equation. Next, we will move on the next distributive law. The next distributive law states that x plus yz is same as x plus y into y plus z. See, here in between we have dot operator. Then how we will distribute x plus y? Here we are going to get dot operator. Then x plus z. This is the second distributive law. Second distributive law. Then how to write the symbol for this one? See, first part we have x and then y and then z. YZ we have, YZ means here D shape will write. Then this connected with OR operation. Then whatever input here we have, these two I'm going to connect with once again a reverse C shape. First part we have completed. It is same as the second one, that is x and y, x and one more is y. These two are connected once again with a reverse C shape. Because in between plus operator we have. Then once again x and z, here also reverse C shape because plus operator we had. And in these two are connected with the dot operator, then here we'll write the D shape. This is the symbol to perform the distributive law. Then if you write the symbol, then you will get the marks. Next thing, we'll prove that by using perfect induction method. While proving, first here I'm going to take x equals 0 and one more time I'm going to substituting x equals 1. Then left hand side value x plus yz, right hand side value x plus y into x plus z. Now on the place of x I'm going to substituting 0. Then 0 plus any variable is that particular variable yz. Here also 0 plus y, then here y I'm going to get and here 0 plus z, z I am going to get. Therefore yz, here also yz. Therefore left hand side value equals right hand side value. Now in the same way, I am going to substituting x equals 1. Then on the place of x, I am going to substituting 1. 1 plus yz. 1 plus yz is nothing but 1. Because in the law of addition properties, in the properties of zeros and ones, we will get 1 plus any variable is 1 only. Then 1 plus y as well as x plus y we have. Then on the place of x, I'm going to substitute 1. 1 plus y. Here also 1 plus z. Then 1 plus y is nothing but 1. In the same way, 1 plus z is nothing but 1. 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. Therefore, here also 1, here also 1. Therefore, left hand side value equals right hand side value. Now is it clear? Then you have to write the same pattern truth table for this given equation. Now is it clear for all of you? 3 things you have to write. One is symbol, and you have to solve that by using perfect induction method. Then you have to write the truth table. Next, we'll move on to the next one, absorption law. What do you mean by this? Absorption law enables a reduction of complicated expression to a simple one by absorbing common terms. Then here, if you observe, x plus xy is x. And the second absorption law, x into x plus y is x. In the same way, x plus y into x plus y bar equals x. Then x plus x bar y equals x. These are the few absorption law. Then right hand side equals left hand side we can prove here. See, I'm going to take x is the common factor. Here I'm not following perfect induction method. Here I'm following algebraic method. Then what do you mean by algebraic method? In algebraic method, I'm applying few formulas and then I'm going to solving here. I'm not substituting x equals 0 or x equals 1 like that. Directly, I'm applying the formula. Any equation can be solved in 3 methods. One is by using truth table, or by using perfect induction method, or by algebraic method. For example, here I'm solving this by using algebraic method. See, I'm going to take x is the common factor, then 1 plus y. This 1 plus y is nothing but 1 only, that is x. That is same as your right hand side value. Left hand side is same as right hand side value. And then here also the second part, the second absorption law, that is x into x plus y. Here I am going to distributing x into x and in the same way plus x to y. Then if you have 2 times, that I can write it in single time x plus xy. From this I am going to take x is common factor, then 1 plus y will be remaining thing. 1 plus y is nothing but 1. 1 into x is nothing but x. It is same as your right hand side value. Now in the same way, x plus y into x plus y bar. Now here what I will do, here I am distributing this x into x 1 time, then x into y bar 1 time, then x into y, then y into y bar. I am distributing here. Then 2 times x we have, that's why I am going to write 1 time x into x bar plus x into y. Here y into y bar is 0 here because this is the properties of that is Boolean algebra. Then here from this I am going to take x is the common factor, x 1 plus y bar plus y. Then this x into 1, that is nothing but x here. It is same as your right hand side value. In the same way, here x plus x bar into y. Then once again what I will do, x plus x bar in the same way x plus y. First this one and then once again with this one I will perform. Here dot operation by using distribution law. Then here 1 plus x bar is nothing but 1 here. This is complementarity law. The complementarity law states that x plus x bar equals 1. In the same way, x into x bar equals 0. Whereas here also I use it complementarity law. Here also I am using complementarity law. Then x plus y, that is 1 into x plus y is nothing but x plus y. This is same as your right hand side value. Like this, any formulas, any postulates can be solved in 3 methods. One is by using truth table or by perfect induction method or by algebraic method. Next class, we will meet with the remaining concept of the same chapter. Thank you for all of you.